is on the Lotus Pose, which is also called Padmasana in yoga. In this video, we will cover up the stretches and techniques which will help you to learn the Lotus Pose as well as the benefits of yoga Padmasana. So now let's start today's video.
A proper lotus pose requires an appreciable amount of flexibility in your hips, ankles and your knees, so we will begin with stretching our legs properly. Try to feel a stretch in your joints and focus more on your movements and on your body. You can also perform these lunges for a longer period of time for an effective stretch. Make it a 40 or 50-second stretch if you are very inflexible. Now, keeping your spine straight and your hips backwards, you will perform this goddess pose. Next, it's time to perform the figure 4, where you are going to sit up over your hips and perform it with a proper balance. Next, it's time to perform the Janu Shirshasana, where you're going to sit back and stretch your legs on the one side and then the other. As instructed before, you can perform these stretches for 40 to 50 seconds along with a 10-second rest to get an effective flexible result. Now, while performing the butterfly stretch, bring your chest forward and keep breathing properly. And then it's time to perform the seated figure 4. Stay in the position for 30 seconds. Perform this stretch on both the sides and bring your legs closer to your chest. Now let's come to the basic steps of the lotus pose. From the previous stretch, keep your left ankle over your right thigh and then slowly bend your right knee. Keeping both the legs on the ground, you are going to grab your right ankle. Slowly try to keep it over your left knee. Push your leg towards your thighs. And here is how it's done. It may be paining, but you have to breathe properly. Stay in the position for at least 20 seconds as a beginner. Now here, repeat the same steps again while keeping your left leg above your right leg. As now you have learned to get into the lotus pose or yoga padmasana, here are a few benefits that you must know. It opens up your hips and stretches your ankles and knees for sure. It is an effective posture for your flexibility, and it also helps to calm the brain. It is an effective posture for meditative purpose, and it also eases the menstrual discomfort. It keeps your joints and ligament flexible, and it also stimulates the spine, pelvis, abdomen and bladder. And most importantly, this posture helps you to restore your energy levels. So make sure that even for 5 to 10 minutes every day, you get into the lotus pose and meditate for a while.
I hope that you enjoyed today's beginner's stretching routine. For intermediate and advanced stretches, make sure you follow the playlist from my channel and also subscribe if you are following my flexibility tutorials. I would really appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up and please share this video with someone who wants to be flexible. That's all for today and see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay positive and don't forget, keep smiling.